Hi folks, my name's John.
I'm Carol.
And together we're Budgie's Bus. Brain's dried up again. 1, 2, 3, try again. Hi folks, my name's John.
I'm Carol.
And together we're Budgie's Bus. The good news, I was able to fix a bumper on the back today.
With his lovely assistant.
Oh yeah, with my beautiful assistant. And her body weight. Yeah, well that wasn't too bad. We'd managed to fix that, so that's one thing out the way. The other thing is we've actually had the hydraulic system now installed on the motorhome. I was hoping to show you them fitting it, but due to health and safety they said no. So I've got a video coming up of me walking around Fishguard all day. So I was about knackered by the time of that day. But what have we done? Well, we've gone for the HPC 324 system. The reason why is that it comes in under 30 kilos, so it doesn't put a great payload on the vehicle. It is so simple to use. It comes with an app. My beautiful assistant here is going to show you how it all works. The bonus with it is that you can actually have the engine running while the legs are down. A lot of the systems out there does not allow this. If you drop the handbrake, the jacks automatically retract, so that's a good safety thing as well. It also comes with a hand pump, so if something happens to the electric system you can still manage to get it down. So that's all you really need to know about that. They weren't the cheapest ones, I'll be honest, but like I said, we went for these because of the weight, and they do lift up to 30 tons, which is way and truly over what this is needed for this vehicle. So I'm going to let my beautiful assistant now show you how easy it is to raise the vehicle. So here we go. Carol, magic.
John's just put the engine on and I was waiting for this to do its thing. I've got to press this for 3 seconds. There you go. Press accept, continue, leveling, and auto 1.
Yeah. That's it. Just say that's it.
Well, that's it. As you can see, it's doing its own thing. Wow. And there we go. Finished.
Okay.
Didn't take long, did it? I'll hand you back to John.
Well, there you go folks, that's how simple it is. I'll show you the outside now and show you where the pump is actually situated, which is perfect fit for where it's gone. So we'll have our cup of tea and show
coffee.
you out, okay, and coffee, and show you the outside. go folks, there's the jacks. You can see how high he's lifted it off the road just to level it on the pavement. Well folks, behind this small locker is where the pump is actually seated. As you can see, it fits nicely just between the two floor support struts. It's small enough to sit in there. Can you get me the handle, Carol? As you can see here, there's a manual pump system. They've actually converted the handle for us. It should have just been a straight bar, but it would have got stuck. So thank you, Carol. So as you can see, they've actually turned it into an L shape, so it sits in there nicely, and you can manually let it down or pump it up, whichever you need to do. So there you go, that's our nice new levelling system. Can you hold the Carol? Camera, Carol. Just to show you how nicely we've been able to fix the bumper. So really chuffed with that. Okay folks, so if Carol come closer, there's a red light that says jacks down. All you have to do is you look at the handbrake, Carol. Let the handbrake down. That's it. Carol, do you want to watch the light? The light will actually stay on until the legs are totally up. There you go, that's the legs completely up. We'll now show you the app. Do you want to get inside? Okay folks, I'll show you the app now. HPC Hydraulics is the name of the app. There you go, it's now configuring the Bluetooth to the controller. Auto level. Here we go, it's starting to lift. That's weird. You can actually feel it moving under you.
Really jolts.
There you go, levelling completed. So go back, retract. Oh. There it goes, it's going back down. there you go, everything's retracted. So,
Looks like
okay,
Are we level?
well, it's close enough. Well, there you go, folks. That's the self-leveling system. I'm chuffed. They did excellent work in doing it. It was done by Top of the Town Motors in Fishguard. Crazy story, I drove all the way down to Fishguard, which is 104 mile, and realised I hadn't took my debit card with me. And they were brilliant. They said if they can't pay it, we could do it over the phone later on. But fortunately, I was able to do it off the app on my phone. But they were brilliant. It should have been a 2-day job, but he pulled in another engineer, mechanic, and they managed to get it done within 10 hours. So it was brilliant. If it weren't for hitting the bumper, it would have been a great day. Well, a couple of days away from home. So that's it. Thanks for watching. It's goodbye from me.
Goodbye from him.
And her as well. You got me now. Take care, stay safe, and happy travelling from me. She's got the giggles again. Please like, subscribe, and put a comment in the bottom. Thanks for watching. Bye then.
You take care. Bye.